developing your light body is one of the most essential things you can do for yourself. Being able to empower your chakra energetic system and blossom from the root to the sacral, this orange hue of positivity, optimism, and sensuality, sexuality, as we drive ourselves forward with passion, purpose, and disciplined willpower to be this cosmic sun of illumination of mind, unifying our hearts and our expression for life as we connect with those that see eye to eye, our family, our friends, our vision for life. It's time to express our throat, our notes, as we share our creativity, our enthusiastic nature to benefit humanity. We are a portal of knowing, a psychic awareness of seeing, hearing, believing, trusting in our inner guidance from higher divine knowing, these angelic life forces that bring us ideas, thoughts, and helpful emotion as we transcendentally shift into the gratitude and thanks, the beautiful colors of cosmic creation that God has given us this day, as we give thanks to the reverence of Mother Nature, this birthing light that has given us life from the womb of creation into this perception of presence, the gift that's been unwrapped as we witness and laugh. Ha ha! Enjoy life, harmonize, connect, and share your chest. Illuminate your auric field. Do what you love. Build your energy levels. Get rid of things that no longer serve you, things that have been holding you down, consuming you, addictions, unhealthy relationships, bad behaviors, habits of eating, gluttony, or judgmental behaviors. Begin to shift to a more blissful nature of self-respect, honesty, helpful, heartfelt expressions of love, making this society a better place. Begin by loving yourself again, more brilliantly than you've ever been. So much love. This is Leo Mystic Magic. Check out our Alex Gray's art. This is Light Body 1 through 7. And be sure to check out cosm.org to learn more about Entheon and the projects they're working on, bringing visionary artists together. Much love from Mesa, Arizona. Have a wonderful, beautiful expression of your own self. Be unique, awareness, and create, manifest, do art, music, express your talents, and let the world see the magnificence of your mind.